Let's make delicious Lauki ka kofta. Start by washing, peeling and cutting the bottle gourd. Grate the bottle gourd, add salt and let it sit for 5 minutes. Squeeze out the excess water and save the juice for later. Add turmeric, red chili powder and coriander powder to the drained bottle gourd. Add gram flour, cilantro, asafoetida and dried fenugreek leaves. Mix in ginger garlic paste, cumin powder and salt. Combine everything well. Shape into balls and deep fry until golden brown. Set the Koftas aside. Continue frying all the Koftas. Now blend green chili, tomatoes and garlic for the gravy. Make a smooth puree. Heat oil and add cumin, turmeric, red chili powder and coriander powder. Add the tomato puree and cook covered. Mix gram flour into the reserved bottle gourd juice. Add this to the gravy. Cook covered for a couple of minutes. Add water, salt, fenugreek leaves and garam masala. Garnish with cilantro and add the Koftas. Let it simmer gently. Your rich and flavorful Lauki ka kofta is ready to enjoy. Please like, share and subscribe to P. Bhatt's Kitchen. Take care.